Which country hosted the G20 summit in 2025? A. South Africa. B. India. C. Japan. D. Indonesia. Correct answer is A. South Africa. Who is the current Chief Election Commissioner of India as of 2025? A. Rajiv Kumar. B. Arun Goyal. C. Gyanesh Kumar. D. Sushil Chandra. Correct answer is C. Gyanesh Kumar. Which Indian city has been declared as the 2025 Youth Capital? A. Delhi. B. Ahmedabad. C. Bengaluru. D. Bhopal. Correct answer is C. Bengaluru. Who became the first Indian astronaut to spend over 100 days on the International Space Station in 2025? A. Rakesh Sharma. B. Sunita Williams. C. Gaganyaan Pilot 1. D. Shubhanshu Shukla. Correct answer is D. Shubhanshu Shukla. In which year was the Reserve Bank of India nationalized? A. 1947. B. 1949. C. 1950. D. 1935. Correct answer is B. 1949. Which state topped the India Innovation Index 2025? A. Maharashtra. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Gujarat. Correct answer is C. Karnataka. The Kudankulam nuclear plant is located in which Indian state? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Kerala. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Karnataka. Correct answer is C. Tamil Nadu. India's first AI-powered traffic management system was launched in which city? A. Bengaluru. B. Mumbai. C. Delhi. D. Pune. Correct answer is C. Delhi. Who is the first woman governor of an Indian state? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Sucheta Kriplani. D. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Correct answer is A. Sarojini Naidu. Which Mughal emperor banned music and painting in his court? A. Akbar. B. Shah Jahan. C. Aurangzeb. D. Humayun. Correct answer is C. Aurangzeb. Which is the mirror image of the word mace? A. M. B. Zm. C. Mz. D. Zm. Correct answer is A. M. Choose the synonym of the word emerge. A. Hide. B. Arise. C. Disappear. D. Conclude. Correct answer is B. Arise. Fill in the blank. He is known _ his honesty. A. By. B. To. C. For. D. About. Correct answer is C. For. Who is the current Defence Minister of India as of July 2025? A. Nirmala Sitharaman. B. Rajnath Singh. C. Amit Shah. D. S. Jaishankar. Correct answer is B. Rajnath Singh. Which Indian state launched the Mission Vatsalya Child Safety Program in 2025? A. Odisha. B. Rajasthan. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Haryana. Correct answer is D. Haryana. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? A. Gujarat. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Maharashtra. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Gujarat. Which Indian state launched the Family ID, One Nation One Family ID portal in 2025? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. C. Gujarat. D. Haryana. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Which planet is known as the morning star? A. Mars. B. Mercury. C. Venus. D. Jupiter. Correct answer is C. Venus. The PM E-Bus Seva scheme aims to deploy how many electric buses across Indian cities? A. 5,000. B. 8,000. C. 10,000. D. 15,000. Correct answer is C. 10,000. Which gas is used in the preparation of soda water? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Methane. Correct answer is B. Carbon dioxide. Fill in the blank. He is good mathematics. A. At. B. In. C. On. D. To. Correct answer is A. At. Antonym of the word cruel. A. Rude. B. Kind. C. Harsh. D. Proud. Correct answer is B. Kind. Which IIT has developed India's first indigenous quantum computer control system? A. IIT Delhi. B. IIT Bombay. C. IIT Madras. D. IIT Kanpur. Correct answer is C. IIT Madras. Complete the series 7, 14, 28, 56. A. 84. B. 100. C. 112. D. 108. Correct answer is C. 112. Which city was declared as India's first 100% smart metered city in 2025? A. Indore. B. DU. C. Panji. D. Surat. Correct answer is B. DU. Who is the President of Sri Lanka as of July 2025? A. Anura Kumara Dissanayake. B. Mahinda Rajpaksa. C. Dinesh Gunawardena. D. Sajit Premdasa. Correct answer is A. Anura Kumara Dissanayake. Choose the correct synonym of the word abundant. A. Scarce. B. Plentiful. C. Rare. D. Empty. Correct answer is B. Plentiful. Choose the correct antonym of the word hostile. A. Aggressive. B. Kind. C. Unfriendly. D. Cruel. Correct answer is B. Kind. Which city has India's first solar roof cycling track? A. Ahmedabad. B. Chennai. C. Hyderabad. D. Bengaluru. Correct answer is C. Hyderabad. Which Indian city topped the Swachh Sarvekshan 2025 rankings? A. Surat. B. Indore. C. Navi Mumbai. D. Mysore. Correct answer is B. Indore. Choose the correctly spelled word. A. Receive. B. Receive. C. Receive. D. Receive. Correct answer is B. Receive. Which number will replace the question mark in the series 3, 8, 15, 24? A. 33. B. 35. C. 37. D. 39. Correct answer is A. 35. The world's highest railway bridge is located over which river? A. Jhelum. B. Chenab. C. Beas. D. Ganga. Correct answer is B. Chenab. Vande Bharat sleeper trains are manufactured by which Indian company? A. Dhel. B. L&T. C. BEML. D. Titagarh Rail Systems. Correct answer is D. Titagarh Rail Systems. A train travels at 60 kilometers per hour. How long will it take to cover 180 kilometers? A. 2 hours. B. 3 hours. C. 4 hours. D. 1.5 hours. Correct answer is B. 3 hours. A man gets 15% discount on a product of 400 rupees. What is the selling price? A. 360 rupees. B. 340 rupees. C. 320 rupees. D. 300 rupees. Correct answer is A. 340 rupees. The slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan was extended by whom? A. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. B. Lal Bahadur Shastri. C. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. D. Narendra Modi. Correct answer is C. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Which word does not belong to the group? A. Rose. B. Lily. C. Lotus. D. Mango. Correct answer is D. Mango. Choose the correctly spelled word. A. Achieve. B. Achieve. C. Achieve. D. Achieve. Correct answer is C. Achieve. Which country joined BRICS in 2025 as the 11th member? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Indonesia. C. Nigeria. D. Argentina. Correct answer is B. Indonesia. Which river flows through the Grand Canyon in the USA? A. Amazon. B. Mississippi. C. Colorado. D. Nile. Correct answer is C. Colorado. Who is the author of the book The Discovery of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Assam. Correct answer is A. Kerala. What is the name of ISRO's Sun mission? A. Chandrayaan. B. Aditya L1. C. Surya X. D. Solar 1. Correct answer is B.